अरे तुम आपको डालो बोले तुम आपको डालो बोले आप डालना
Vishnuvardan Reddy, you belongs to which group? Vishnuvardan, are you going to listen my voice?
Yes, sir.
Mute all of your voices, otherwise I will put the mute. Okay. So within the 2 short classes, we will complete this first unit, half portion of atomic structure. Okay. In the first class, we have studied from the starting onwards the atomic structure chapter with atomic numbers, mass numbers, definition, examples, and followed by Bohr's model of atom. In between them, anything is there. Atomic number, mass number between. Only just we have given the information, and after that we have started the Bohr's model of atom. We need to learn about merits and demerits. No. And after that we have what is the definition of orbital, shapes of the orbitals, and as it includes with the model plane, the definition. Okay. The same continuation can complete the information of our shapes of the orbitals. We have started to see about the s orbital. Once again, we will repeat the s orbital. S orbital is completed for you.
Yes, sir.
Next, we will go for the p orbitals. Okay, p and d orbitals. We'll share the information.
थोड़ा बिरयानी डालन था
Okay, you can put next heading. Put the heading first. P orbitals. Okay, simple information to learn. P orbital. What we can see, the probability of finding electrons given. I'll put the mode mute for all. Put the mute. Then there's no choice to see. So you can write simply what? The p orbitals are dumbbell in shape. The p orbitals are dumbbell in shape. So what do you mean by that? The probability of finding electrons around the nucleus will occupy a dumbbell shape. It represents the probability of finding electrons. The probability of finding electrons around the nucleus the probability of finding electrons around the nucleus occupies what shape? Dumbbell shape. next simply what we write? The p orbitals are three types. We write px, py, and pz.
घर के टैक्सी पेपर कहाँ है वो गाड़ी समय हाँ तो पर मजे नहीं चाह रहा आज तक कहाँ हो
Next, what we write? They are but this is a px. You put all the same direction. You just represent the lobes, you can rotate. X, Y, Z. This is PY. Next, coming to same side, you can write PXYZ. PZ. Are you able to follow? Now we can write two notes for this. Note number one, what we write? The orientation of lobes. These are called as lobes. The orientation of lobes are along the axis.
कहाँ किलो लीजिए
तो विकास पड़ता है
The orientation of lobes are along the axis. The orientation of
Sir, shall we write?
along the axis. What? So in the px, the lobes are along the x direction.
Sir, shall we write in the note?
Notes only at right continuation. No other time is accepted. By writing only you can learn. Note number two, what we can identify means the number of nodal planes in the p orbitals. Generally we give, according to here, number of nodal planes are 1.
చెప్పిన
₹20
₹20 వచ్చినాయి కానీ ఓన్లీ అవుట్ కమింగ్ కి అది అంతేలేదా అవును చెప్తే
So number of nodal planes are 1.
నోడల్ ప్లేన్స్ ఏడున్నాయి సార్
Number of nodal planes are 1.
సార్ నోడల్ ప్లేన్స్ సార్ చూపిస్తారా సార్ అంటే
ఇక్కడ నోడల్ ప్లేన్స్ అంటే ఇదేనయ్యా ఇట్లా లేదా గీత ఇది ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఫైండింగ్ రిఫరెన్స్ 0. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నోడల్ ప్లేన్స్ 1 అంటామన్నా.
इसी के अंदर
చాలా డీప్ గా ఉంటది, మనకు సిలబస్ లేదు. జస్ట్ షేప్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆర్బిటాల్స్ రాయటం అంతే. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా చాలా డీప్ గా ఉంటుంది, అయ్యాక వస్తుంది.
సార్ ఒకసారి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి వెళ్ళి పెట్టారు సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద p orbitals? The p orbitals are dumbbell in shape. It represents what? The probability of finding electrons around the nucleus occupy dumbbell shape. Dumbbell shape. Therefore, we are saying is a p orbitals. Next, the p orbitals are 3 types. So that is nothing but what? Px, Py, Pz. And you simply draw the diagrams of Pxy, Px, Py, Pz orbitals. And you are watching the lobes. Dumbbell shape in the form of a 2 lobes equal to 1 dumbbell. So this, the orientation of lobes of the lobes are along the axis. So these p orbitals are completed.
Sir, one show from starting sir.
Here only start.
Sir, starting.
What starting is?
Sir, your network is very poor, sir.
You remember that within 2 classes we'll complete this atomic structure. Okay. By the Wednesday I will send the total atomic structure chapter. Okay. If any mistakes are there, if you are not followed to write anything, you can recollect the information. We'll send after completion of this chapter.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ఎందుకంటే టాపిక్స్ ఇస్తే బ్రేక్ అయిపోతుంది. చాప్టర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇస్తా ఉన్నారా, అప్పుడు మీకు ఐడియా ఉంటుంది, సీక్వెన్స్ ఐడియా ఉంటుంది.
సార్ మొత్తం స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఇస్తారా సార్?
స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి మీకు నోట్స్ రాసి ఉన్నది ఇస్తా, మళ్ళీ మీకు సెండ్ చేస్తా. ఓకేనా?
చూసుకోవాలన్నట్టు కరెక్ట్ రాసినామా లేదా అని
చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఎవరైనా ఆబ్సెంట్ ఇస్తున్న వాళ్ళకి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది.
ఓకే.
రాత్రి వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు మాత్రం రాసుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే రాసుకోకపోతే మీ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఇక్కడ ఉండదు, ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా? పిఆర్ఎస్ అయిపోయింది అందరిది. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు సీ అబౌట్ వాట్ d orbitals. D orbitals. Next we put for d orbitals.
Yes, D.
Yes. Next for d orbitals. So what you can write the same sentence, what you written for the p orbitals, same sentence you write. Simply what you write? Double dumbbell. Double dumbbell and iron. D orbitals. The d orbitals are double dumbbell in shape. Double dumbbell in shape. Similar sentence what you write? It represents, understand Gordon. It represents the probability of finding electrons. It represents the probability of finding electrons in the nucleus occupies double dumbbell. Occupies double dumbbell in shape. Next, you can remember that. What are the d orbitals first of all? The d orbitals are 5, and they are degenerate. What is the meaning of degenerate? Same energy level. Degenerate energy level orbitals.
Sir, not looking.
Okay. నేను రాస్తున్నప్పుడు కింద కలుగుతుందిగా. The d orbitals are 5 and they are degenerate in same energy orbitals. That is dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square, and dz square. So totally, how many orbitals we are looking? 5. D orbitals are 5. These are occupying double dumbbell in shape around the nucleus. The binding of the electrons are in the respective lobes form. Therefore, you can find like that. Okay, enough to find out. These are degenerate orbitals. Next, we can represent diagrams. How we can remember this? Okay, that is very important. Without mistakes. First of all, how I am drawing, let us come to see. You put.
Show me, sir.
Okay. 5 lines you put like this. We are over. Are you going to look? How I am representing the orbitals? To draw in the same ways, so that we can understand how to write all at a time. The first step. Have completed? Next.
Yes, sir.
You write all the orbitals names at the bottom. What I can write? Here first of all what I can write? D, X, Y.
XY.
D, Y, Z. D, ZX. Okay? This is D, X square, Y square. This is D, Z square. So without committing mistakes, you can learn the things. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can write, no problem. So whatever we have written at the bottom, x, y, y, z, zx, x square, y square, z square, etc. All these axes should be represented in the straight lines. I will write one example you can understand. The dxy, what is this? xy now? You put here x. Here y. This x. This is what we write y z. Okay. This is, you can put same x z.
Sir, your screen is not looking.
Now xy are represented, yz are represented, xz are represented, and x square y square means what we write here x, here y. dz square, you put simply z. Is it clear to write? Understand? First of all,
Yes, sir.
with the two straight lines intersecting. Okay. One horizontal, one vertical. All I represented pi as it is. Next I wrote what I know the names of the orbitals in the form of xy, yj, zx, x square, y square, z square. Okay. Second step is over. What is the third step? I represented the axis. What is abbreviated in the diagram? For this what I wrote? For xy, this is I put xy. Yz, I put yz. Zx, I have kept xz. For x square, y square, I kept x and y. For z square, what I put? Only z. How many steps we have followed? 3 steps. 3. Now, you should remember one point. What is that point? Means, these 3 orbitals, d orbitals, and these 2 are another 2 orbitals. There are 2 sets. We are going to observe there are 2 sets. One set is xy, yz, zx. Other is x square, y square, z square. So, what is the remaining point here? Means, as a double dumbbell shape, the orientation of orbitals, that is the orientation of orbitals means double dumbbell shape like that. Orientation of orbitals are between the axes. For xy, yz, zx, what we can remember is between the axes. అంటే మనకి xy, yz, zx లో ఆర్బిటల్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి? ఈ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఈ స్ట్రైట్ లో ఉండవు. బిట్వీన్ అంటే నేను ఒకటి రాస్తే చూడండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ one dumbbell, one dumbbell is another dumbbell. Put like this, dots means the electrons probability is there. So this is what electron distribution or between the axes. Remaining you 2 also write on the same. మిగతా 2 అలాగే రాయండి మీరు. Between the axes. The orientation of orbitals are between the axes. ఇది మర్చిపోకూడదు, కరెక్ట్ గా రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? డాట్స్ పెట్టండి. నోట్ అనే దగ్గర మనం పాయింట్ రాపిస్తాము, ఆ పాయింట్ రాసుకుంటాం, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఓకేనా? Now these 3 orbitals are what condition? The orientation of orbitals are between the axes.